Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Bradley County of East Tennessee, western Polk County of East Tennessee, southeastern Hamilton County and East Tennessee until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over South Cleveland, or near Cleveland, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expected. Sighting, entries. Locations impacted include Chattanooga, Cleveland, Benton, South Cleveland, East Cleveland, Wildwood Lake, Collegedale, Waterville, Martinsville, and Reliance. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 10 and 26. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.